In this video, I want to teach you how you can use ChatGPT to write a cover letter. Okay, to write a cover letter. So we'll be using this particular CV. We'll be using this particular CV to write a professional cover letter with the use of ChatGPT. Okay, maybe probably you want to apply for a job and you want to sound very professional in your cover letter. This video is for you. So the first thing you will do is you open your CV. So all what we'll be doing is we are going to, okay, no, firstly we go to ChatGPT, we say write a cover letter with this listed work experience. We'll now head straight to our CV. We open our CV. Okay, so now this particular CV, we'll start by copying this first work experience. We'll say we'll copy all this. We'll copy the year. We'll copy the the company and the, what you were given. So we'll do something like this and we'll paste it. Okay. Okay. For a good way of doing it, let's just do this. We'll copy the first one, the first experience. We'll go back to the CV again. We'll copy the second experience. Okay. Please follow this. We'll paste again. We'll put comma again. We'll go to the CV again and we'll copy the last one and we paste. So we'll put full stop. So you now say you put this sign back, okay? Now say use this work experience to sorry, use this work experience to write me a professional cover letter, a professional cover letter to let's say shell to shell company. So let's see the response. Dear hiring manager at Shell, you can see I am excited to apply for the human resources manager position at the Extend company. As a seasoned HR professional with over 5 years of experience, you can see that the what they call it, OpenAI went through what you pasted and calculated the number of years that you've used in working. And if you go and calculate, you can see you started working in the CV. It shows that the person started working 2021 till date. Okay, which is very accurate. You can see. So you can see, you say, during my time at GGDSS schools in Jigawa, Nigeria, I gained a vulnerable experience as a human resource officer. I am responsible for recruitment, employment relations, and performance management. In addition, I developed policies and procedures to ensure policies with local national. You can see, he spoke about this, you can see in answer currently I am a human resources officer at Abacon Integrated Services Limited in Lagos, Nigeria. You can see you could go through your current job, the person's current job. Okay, throughout my career, I have demonstrated a strong commitment to employment, to employee engagement, diversity, and inclusion. I have a track record of developing and implementing successful HR strategy that improve employee satisfaction, retention, and productivity. I am excited about this opportunity to bring my experience, my expertise to Shell and contribute to the company's success. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to discussing my qualification further. You can see that it wrote this excellently, right? Excellently. So let's take, for instance, you were not pleased with this. The only thing you do is you click on regenerate response. So it gives you another response entirely. You can see I am writing to express my interest in human resources position available at Shell. With my diverse background and experience in HR, I believe I will be an excellent fit for this position. In my previous role, I have gained extensive experience in HR operation, employee relations, and talent management. As a human resources officer at GDSS Schools, Jigawa, Nigeria, I was responsible for coordinating the recruitment and selection process, managing employees' record, and providing support for the day-to-day operation of the HR department. In my subsequent role as human resources manager at Given Business University, I oversaw the company HR function, including performance management, employees engagement, and HR strategy development. Currently, I serve as a human resources officer at Abacon Integrated Services Limited, Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria, where I am responsible for managing the recruitment process, developing and implementing HR policy procedures, conducting training and development programs for employee. You can see these responses are great. So now let's take for instance, there are some things you want to include. Maybe probably you have some relevant skills you want to include in your CV. So you can just go to where you have your relevant skills. Maybe probably if you have a relevant skill at all, okay, you can just copy all these relevant skills and go back to your ChatGPT and say, please help me include these relevant skills. You just go like this and you paste and you go like this and pam. Let's see the response. You can see that it's able to work. You can see that out of the relevance is able to work collaboratively with team, fast and efficient service worker. So you everything will be included in the response. So it will make your cover letter more detailed and more strong. Okay, okay. So I do hope this video has been really helpful. If it has been really helpful, click on the red subscribe button below this video. This will help me a long way. And once you're done, click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button because we will be dropping more relevant videos like this in our next video. Thank you for your time and